Hi guys, welcome to country number 30, Monaco. Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. I am going to country number 30, which is Monaco. And yeah, in Monte Carlo. So tomorrow morning 9 AM I will reach there. So right now I'm in Frankfurt and yeah, so I'm really excited for my further travels. Then I'll also be going to Marseille and Nice in France. So it is going to be a southern part of France, and it's going to be on the beach. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I have to catch my bus. So let's go. So yeah, really excited again. Just always travel makes me excited always, and excites me. And yeah, as you can see the beautiful Louis-en-Platz behind me. That's the Louis-en-Platz behind me. Yeah. So country number 30, and yeah, I've told my boss that I'm going to work from home on Friday, but I'm going to be in Marseille. Yeah, so I can finish the work later. So, but sometimes you have to do such things in order to make your dreams come true. So another milestone for me, country number 30. I'm hitting my 30s right now. So yeah, it's sunny, it's going to be warm. All the 3 days are going to be lovely and warm. So let's go and enjoy our time in France. See you guys later. Guys, I just saw the email that the bus is delayed because of some accidents and some thunderstorms, and yeah, so instead of 6 o'clock we will be moving at 7:30 PM. So I'll go to the river mine and sit there for some time, and yeah, and then I'll be back around 7:50. So hi guys, these are my two new friends, Avinash and Nagashri.
Hello.
What is my name?
Sayak. Suyak.
Almost.
Yeah, Suyak.
Almost. I said it right. Avinash and Nagashri. So we are waiting for a bus which is delayed because of thunderstorms and accidents. I don't know where are the thunderstorms. I think they were lying.
They didn't mention thunderstorm, it's traffic.
They mentioned thunderstorms. Thunderstorms and traffic and accidents. Did they mention? Maybe I am mistaken. So yeah, so we are waiting for a bus and we are having a nice chat. And yeah, so time is passing by very nicely. I hope they are not bored by my story.
We are happy that we met this guy.
Okay.
Suyak.
Sayog.
Sayok.
Yeah.
He looks like him.
Yes, but where are you going?
Three capitals in Budapest, Vienna.
No, we are going to France. They are going to Budapest, right? You can see hi in the video. We are going to France.
At what time your bus is?
Our bus is at 7:30.
Delayed by 1.5 hours.
Yeah, it was at 6, but we are going at 7:30. What about you?
My bus is at 6:30.
Yeah.
So they are telling like it is about 8 or 8:30.
Ooh. You can join us. Talk to us.
I just want to confirm that.
Sorry? Yeah, this is the place. Yes. Let's start. Hi guys, these are my two new friends. Hello. What are your names?
My name is Deepa.
Bindu.
Bindu.
Acha, okay. So they are from Bangalore and we are waiting for a bus. Just like these two people are waiting here with their cell phones, they're busy. And yeah, so she's from Berlin and she has come from India to visit this lady here. So yeah, and she's into the pharmaceutical industry and she's into construction management. Yeah, so she's going to Italy and I'm going to France, and this is our
That's nice one.
Yeah.
I was not prepared for.
I meet her again. Hey. Coincidence, no? Us, no? Nice.
Seriously.
Cool. So I had met her during the Austria and Neuschwanstein trip, right? And now I am with her again, going to France. Yeah, French Riviera. Cool. Nice. So good to see you again.
Same here.
Hi guys. Two more friends. This is Shankar. Shankar from
Shanko.
Shankar from West Bengal, Bhilai, and this is Vivek from Nagpur.
अच्छा वेस्ट बंगाल भिलाई में नहीं है
नहीं भिलाई वेस्ट बंगाल
नहीं
सॉरी
भिलाई छत्तीसगढ़
अच्छा भिलाई इज इन छत्तीसगढ़ सॉरी माय मिस्टेक और मैंने ऐसा बोला कि वेस्ट बंगाल भिलाई में ऐसे बोला मैंने
वेस्ट बंगाल भिलाई
अच्छा अच्छा
ये स्टेट डाल दिया भिलाई में
अच्छा तो माय मिस्टेक एंड Vivek is from Nagpur. He speaks Marathi and he also speaks Hindi. So nice to meet you guys. We have reached our destination. That's Monaco. We're in Monte Carlo. This is country number 30 for me, and as you can see, the bus has been parked there, and all my friends there are ahead. So yeah, let's go and see what Monaco has to offer. Monte Carlo. So where are we going, guys? What is the name of the place we are going? The rock thing यहीं पे ना? अच्छा yeah.
Sardine exotic.
Yeah. So we are going to the Jardin. It's called Jardin in French. Garden को Jardin बोलते हैं. तो But it's yeah, you can call it. ये जो लड़की है हिमाचल प्रदेश से ये जार्दिन कहती है उसको. तो फिर और Düsseldorf को she says Düsseldorf. So
Because I speak English, not
yeah,
German.
yeah, she speaks English. That's why. So hello. Hey. So फिर yeah, so we are going to the Jardin, number 1 spot, and we are going to the Grand Prix circuit. So let's go and see what. Let's go and see what we've got in store for Monaco. Hey, what is your name?
Dave.
Dave. Okay. And that is Vivek. Yeah, we've already met in the bus. We have lost Shankar. So I hope we can find Shankar ahead.